Herb Guy with the Elder Herb Shop, and welcome back to Where Science Meets Nature, a channel where we discuss the medicinal value of plants and other natural substances found in nature all around us, with a little bit of science thrown in because we can. Today I'm going to do another front yard first aid. Front yard first aid, but I'm going into my backyard to get it. Front yard first aid kind of rings a little better though, so we'll run with that one. The plant that I'm going to talk about today is called Heal All, which is this purple flower right here. There's a better one there. Get some shade around it. They grow in clumps. Sometimes it's confused with red clover. And it's a very prolific plant. Once it gets started, it will take off. And it'll get down deep in your rest of your yard. You know, especially if you're like us and you allow that kind of thing to happen. If you're one of those kind of people that tries to get rid of it. See, there's one here. There's Heal all in here. The reason why I'm bringing up this plant today is because one of the biggest questions that we get as herbalists is, do you have anything that'll burn fat? Well, it turns out, according to science, this plant does indeed burn fat. It's kind of a tonic, a general overall tonic for your body, in that it gets rid of cholesterol in your body, and according to the test subjects, it removes fat cells, like random fat cells that accumulate in your body. It lowers your cholesterol. It's been shown to heal the liver. And in reality, this could literally be nature's fat pill, the one that everybody's been going on about. I did pick one, and I put it back up to our table up here. I think I lost my chicken, so we'll be all right. I can actually do it without her trying to eat it. This is really good for inflammation and skin lesions. They actually use it to treat herpes. It's kind of an interesting thing. Well, because you get sores and whatnot when you have that. Better example. I threw her in some water so it wouldn't be quite so bad. The roots are kind of small, as you can see. This is a plant though. It's got a wedge-shaped leaf, somewhat serrated on the sides, and this big purple flower. Now, as you can see, most of the petals have fallen off of this, and I tried to find one that had more petals, but the chickens got to them before I did. So you use the whole plant for this. You can use it to you can use it in lotion, you can use it in a salve, you can make a tea out of it, cut it up, boil it in some water, and you can use it as a poultice. It's known to stop bleeding, it strengthens your blood vessels. All in all, this is probably a really good plant to have around. If you have any in your yard and you can harvest it, this would be one to have. It's good for coughs and congestion. It's a overall pretty good plant. Now down below I did include a couple of studies in regards to how this plant is also considered an anti-aging plant. And just recently I did another video, a couple of videos ago, in regards to hydrangea and its benefits for anti-aging effects. So I'll make a deal with everybody. If we can get at least 15 likes off of this video, I'll do another video on how to make your own anti-wrinkle skin cream from start to finish. And it's only going to have 3 herbs and some oils. And then you'll have the recipe to make your own anti-wrinkle skin cream. You can even turn it into a quote-unquote anti-aging tea as well. We'll give that a try. But I need 15 likes on this video, and then I'll go ahead and do that. Now down below, I did include some links to some science in regards to the anti-aging benefits and its benefits with diabetes and some other conditions. So you just give it a look. Go ahead and look at those links. But if you like this video, please give it a like and a share. Remember, if we get 15 likes, I will do another video on how to make your own anti-aging skin cream. If you like our content, don't forget to subscribe. It's kind of helpful for us, and it gives us more incentive to make more videos. But thanks for your time, everybody. Have a great day from the Elder Herb Shop.